Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another Pet Simulator X video, and today I'm basically going to be opening eggs like I did in all the other videos. And today I have a little bit more fantasy coins than I did last time, but that's even better. Well, let's get started. Oh, right away after bat, a legendary. Oh, I'm probably gonna cut the video right here, and I'm gonna be back once I open all the eggs. Hey, so guys, I just finished opening all of the eggs, and I'm not getting really that good of luck. Out of the 470 billion fantasy coins that I opened, I only got 3 legendaries and a bunch of normals, like goldens. Didn't really get any mythics, so that sucks. At least I got my leaderboard thingy higher. Well, that's probably gonna be it for today's video, guys. See you guys later.